Another YouTube video of Three Boys Endless Noise. Charlie ain't doing it today. He's on his scooter. We're gonna have lots of fun. Going down to Ringwood Lake Park, Ringwood Lake Park, and having lots of fun. You see here already, we already have a map. So we are here, where it says, and then children's playground's over here. This is a big place. This is a big place. So we're gonna have some fun. Yeah. So I'm just waiting for them. Charlie's on a scooter. Stupid scooter. Well, it's gonna walk down here. I'm using it as a 360 today. I normally use the GoPro, but Charlie's not doing it today, so I'll use it as the 360. If you want to see more park videos or Lego videos or whatever, head down to Three Boys Endless Noise YouTube channel. We have tons. We're gonna keep making those videos. Which way should I go? I'll go down this way. Okay. I've just arrived at the park and it is dead. A park is dead at the moment. Nobody. We've got the whole park to ourselves practically. Let's go. Oh, there's a few people walking down. I just saw two other people. Well, other than that, nobody's finding the playground. That's a win-win for us. Charlie's just minding his own business. Have a look. This is a great walking track and a great play. So if you guys want to walk whilst somebody watches the kids, you can go walk. There's like a what? Cause there. I don't see any kids yet, but I see lots of parents. Imagine using a scooter on this. Oh. That would be hilarious. Nice. Got lots of mini slides, but this slide I want to show you guys. I'll extend this the highest I can get. That. Oh my god. My first time ever taking this thing down. It's okay, Ollie. Just relax. I've got Charlie. Oh, that ramp sure needs to extend a little. Say hello, Spencer. Hi. Whee! I'll give you the signal. Got it. Ta-da! The forecast said today it's going to be raining all afternoon, so we went straight in the morning.
Ready?
Ready.
Whee!
Beautiful body. Again. Higher. One hand, dude. Not too high, otherwise I'll drop.
What?
Believe it's going so far. Well, I'm just gonna go around and fish the walk because I think it's about to rain. And I don't want to be around you when it rains. If you like cranes, this is a really good place because you can see crane stables staying there, nobody inside of it. And also you can see trains coming past. Also you can cross it. And Charlie just appeared again.
Go. One time you were riding your bike down here
Yeah?
and you fell off into the bush towards the water.
Yeah?
You're like, oh! Sing a song. Do a dance. Do something silly.
I found a secret bridge behind the barbecue. Have a look. It's like a boardwalk. I never even knew this was here. I mean, I've been here lots of times. And it just goes around. Oh, it's all the world wars. It's a peace garden. Well, Ringwood Lake Park is an excellent park. If your kids are always energetic every single day, this is a good place to do a walking track, like a playground, like a kid can run out all his energy in about 10 goes. Everything was alright, toilets were alright. There's a map, everything a child needs to run their energy out. Something like if you want a quiet space and think about all the people who died in the wars. There's a peace garden over that way somewhere. So that's a fun place to go where you just don't want to do anything. Other than that, everything's all good. The lake was good. I don't know what happened with that dam back there. It's just weird. Last time I came here, there was no dam there. Now there is. I'm like, will you remove that? There's nothing important about it. That's all I have for today. I'll see you next time. Bye.